Let's have a look at 8 equals 9 minus 2x. Which side are the x's on in this equation? Well, to begin with, they're on the right hand side. So your initial gut reaction might be, let's collect the x's on the right hand side. However, if you look carefully, you'll see that it's minus 2x's. I do not like minus 2x's. When I'm trying to find out what x is, I need to know what plus x is in my final answer. I need to know what x is, which is plus x. So what I'm going to do, because I've got minus 2x, is actually take the x's to the other side. Because if I swap the sides of the x's, the minus will change, swap signs to become plus on the other side. So I'm actually going to take minus 2x from the right to the left. Okay, so I'm not going to collect them on the right, even though that's where they start, because they're minuses. If I take them to the other side, they will become plus 2x. So on the left hand side, I get plus 2x. I can drop the plus if it's the first thing I write down, so just write 2x. The numbers now go to the other side. So the 9 and the 8 need to go to the right. Well, the 9 is already on the right, so I don't need to do anything with that. So leave the 9 alone. It doesn't swap sides, it doesn't swap sign. It's actually got a plus in front of it. It's still got a plus in front of it. You don't need to write it down because it's the first thing in writing. Okay, so now we deal with the 8. Well, the 8 is on the wrong side now. I need to drag that across from the left to the right. If it swaps sides, it swaps signs. At the moment, on the left-hand side, there's a plus in front of it, even though you can't see it. Swap sides, it swaps to minus 8 on the other side. So there's the first line. If 8 equals 9 minus 2x, then it's true to say that 2x is the same as 9 minus 8. That's a true statement. Let's tidy up. So on the left you've got 2x's, and on the right you've got 9 take away 8. Well, that's just 1. So we get 2x's equals 1. But I don't want 2x's, I want x. So what I've got to do is take this 2x, and to get x, I need to share it by 2. So if you share the left-hand side by 2, to keep the equation balanced, just share the other side by 2. So I take the number we've got there, 1, and I share that by 2 as well. So share that by 2, share that by 2. Okay, so we get this, x equals 1 share by 2. Well, 1 share by 2, you could do it on a calculator, you get 0.5, but better, it's a fraction answer. Why don't you leave the answer as x equals 1/2? And of course, x equals 1/2 doesn't cancel, so that is your final answer. So there you go. 8 equals 9 minus 2x has a solution, x is equal to 1/2.